We do a lot of work for many of the large water companies throughout the UK, and we install a lot of Saint-Gobain's products. We have been involved in some of their innovation in terms of their new shear joint system, and today we've been doing a trial run with them in one of our facilities here in Manchester. I suppose the big thing that I like about the shear joint is you can instantaneously check on installation of the joint that it's secure and it'll hold the test. And we're also here doing our preliminary trials with a new piece of equipment that Saint-Gobain have produced, which is a machine installation for each of the joints. So from a contractor's perspective, in terms of the benefits of that, it removes the need for people within the trench, and in terms of safety, that's that's key in terms of removing people from any danger zone. Obviously, deep excavations is a big thing within the industry, and if we can remove that hazard, that's a massive benefit. Today, obviously, it's been very successful, where we had the shear joint and the machine installation equipment all working in one, and I had another few of our partners here from within the industry witnessed the test, and it's went off very well, and very pleased with the outcome.